Greetings and salutations. It's been a long time since I've said that. Since last year. Now be honest with me, this is a safe space. Have you already given up on your New Year's resolution? If you have already, then this video is for you. And if you haven't, good job. But stick around because you might also find this video helpful. Whenever a new year comes around, it's always a really exciting time, you know. You have people saying, oh, new year, new me, and all these kind of things. People trying to reinvent themselves, trying to become better. This is literally the time of year where everyone's really motivated and all riled up. Oh, this is going to be my year. But a couple weeks in, that motivation dies down. And at the end of the year, most people end up unhappy with where they are. Once the motivation is gone, they don't have anything left that's driving them to work towards their goals. And this happens every single year. When's it gonna stop? Why do you think that keeps on happening year by year? And it's because in order for change to come about, you have to change. Jim Rohn literally says, if you don't change, nothing will change for you. Motivation isn't enough to bring about significant change in your life because motivation is fleeting. It only lasts a certain amount of time before, you know, you're back to square one and you don't really feel like doing anything. In order to become successful, in order to make progress, you can't rely on just motivation, which is what everyone does, you know, towards the end of December, beginning of January, it's all motivation. Once that's gone, what's keeping you going? If you want 2024 to be your year, you need to change something, and that thing you need to change is your mindset. What's in here? Forget motivation. The quote I'm going to leave you with that you should take along with you for 2024 is choose your hard. What the hell does that mean? So let me explain. It means that you can choose to do the hard things that will benefit you in the long run. You know, studying for that exam every single day for hours on end is hard, but it's going to benefit you in the future. Going to the gym 4, 5, however many times a week is hard. Literally exerting all of your energy in the gym, tiring yourself out, it's hard, but it's going to benefit you in the long run. Or you can choose the other hard, which is not doing any of those things. Forget those, but in the future you're going to end up regretting it and being really disappointed with yourself for not doing the hard things. You're going to look back and think, oh, I really wish I worked harder on my studies. I really wish I started going to the gym earlier, but I was just too lazy, or I didn't want to do the hard things when I needed to do the hard things. You've just got to accept that life is going to be difficult, and in order to make progress towards your goals and achieve the things that you want to achieve, you're going to have to do difficult things, and that's just the way it is. You can't avoid them, but doing those difficult things will get you the outcome that you are happy with. You'll be proud of yourself for doing those difficult things. Building a business is hard. Working a job, working a 9 to 5 is hard, but being broke is also hard. Choose your hard. That millionaire that you're seeing all over social media, he didn't get there by not putting in the hours of work on building that business. Being a A-star student, getting top grades, whatever it is hard. You've got to put in the work for it. But failing on every single test time and time again is also hard. You're going to have to face that disappointment and that kind of anger with yourself for not having studied every single time. And that's going to really take a mental toll on you. So which one would be better? To just get the work done. Of course it's going to be hard, you know, you can't be bothered to study, but when you get your test back or your exam back, you're going to be really proud of yourself. And that's the hard that you really should choose if you want 2024 to be your year. Being consistent with the gym is really hard. You know that gym freak that you're seeing all over social media as well? Guess what? He got there by doing the hard things. Going to the gym week by week, building that consistency, not giving up. That's how he achieved the dream physique that he's got right now. And that's how you can also do the same thing. Or, you know, you can lie on the couch every single day for the next 10 years and not go to the gym, not go for a run, not go for a walk. But that life is also hard. really hard, trust me. You might not feel it now, but in the future, you'll certainly feel it. So both lanes are hard. Doing the hard work now for successful life, happier outcome, making progress, or taking the easy route now, you know, I can't be bothered to do anything, so I'll just do nothing. But in the future, you're going to be really disappointed with where you've ended up. You're going to regret all that wasted potential and all that time that you didn't use effectively. So yeah, choose your hard. I want you to ingrain that into your head, because that's what I'm doing. Whenever I feel like, oh, I can't really be bothered to study right now, I'll just do it later. I'm gonna remember, I need to choose my hard. I can either choose to study now and just get it over with and be happy with myself when I'm taking the exam and it's easy, or I can not do anything and be really upset with myself, like, damn, why didn't I do that? Why? Like, both routes are hard, but one is certainly a lot more rewarding. So that's the route that I'm going to try and choose every single time this year. So yeah, you too, whenever you're in the midst of procrastinating a certain task or choosing not to do something, like, I don't know, choosing to take that day off on the gym when you know you're supposed to really go, think, is this the hard that I want to choose? Being disappointed with myself for not going and not achieving the dream physique that I want? Or is this the hard I'm going to choose? I'm going to get up, get dressed, go to the gym and be really happy with myself after the workout for having got off my ass and gone to the gym. The choice is yours. Which one are you going to make? Choose your hard wisely, because it's either going to make or break your 2024. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.